Listen carefully. In the next 12 months, the highest earners on the planet won't be coders. They won't be marketers.
No.
They won't even be sales gurus. They'll be AI
Yes.
power users. And here's the truth no one is telling you. You can become one of them, even if you're starting
Oh
from
my
absolute
God.
zero. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 9 AI skills with the highest income potential that you can master right now. And you'll want to stick around till the very last one. Because that's the single most lucrative skill of them all. This isn't just another chatgpt crash course. This is your AI domination playbook. Let's dive in. Skill number 1, prompt engineering. $50 to $100 per hour. Imagine this. In the early 2000s, knowing how to code was like printing your own money. Fast forward to today, the ability to talk to AI has become just as valuable. But here's the harsh truth. Most people get it dead. They treat AI like a toy, throwing in vague prompts like, "Make me a marketing plan." And they wonder why the results are garbage. Let me break it to you. Garbage in, garbage out. That's why I'm about to reveal something I rarely do. My exact 4-step prompting structure that all my companies use. Because if you don't talk to AI the right way, it's like trying to dig for gold with your bare hands. Here's how the pros do it. Define the role. Always tell the AI who to act as. Marketer, designer, lawyer. Be specific. Just this morning, I was reviewing some legal documents and my assistant started with act as a lawyer. If you skip this, AI won't know which lens to apply and your output will be generic. Provide the data, feed it examples, context, details. When I ask AI for copywriting or financial analysis, I show it what great looks like. The more context you give, the better the gold you'll get back. Make the ask. Be crystal clear. Most people are vague and lazy. Want analysis? Say it. Want a summary? Spell it out. Request the format. Tell it exactly how you want the answer. Bulleted, PDF, spreadsheet. If you don't ask, you'll just get a blob of text. Skill number 2. AI assisted software development. $100 to $200 per hour. Here's a wild fact. Today, you no longer need to be a developer to build apps. Non-tech people are launching powerful software using AI tools. Here's your blueprint. Create a course. Using AI itself. Yes, let AI teach you. Ask ChatGPT. Act as an expert developer and walk me step by step to build this app using REPL.it. It will even tell you what prompts to use to generate code. Find a pain point. Talk to consultants, CEOs, entrepreneurs. Ask, what's that one thing you wish software could solve? Then co-create it with them. They've got the problem. You've got the know-how. Build the prototype. Most people are stuck in shelf help, always learning, never doing. Be the person who JFDI just freaking does it. Prototype, play, and implement. Skill number 3. AI design. $100 to $200 per hour. Remember those creepy AI images with 6 fingers? That was 6 months ago. Now, AI design is next level photorealistic. Here's how you can profit. Generative photo. Master the prompts to create insane images. Last week, I used AI to create a mock-up for a hot sauce brand. Bite back your tongue. With my custom logo splashed on the bottle. It looked epic. Photo editing with AI. Fix old low-res photos using tools like Photoshop AI or Topaz. If I can do it, trust me, you can too. Web design. AI now not only designs but codes websites. Tools like Figma plugins and Reloom.io do the heavy lifting. Jobs that once cost $15,000 or more. Now, you can do it for a fraction and keep the profits. Skill number 4. AI video editing. $100 to $200 per hour. This is a revolution for creators. AI now does in minutes what used to take editors days. Master these. Clipping. Use tools like Firecut or Opus to clip silence and find viral moments. Generative video. Create AI avatars with tools like Vidyard and Synthesia. Some creators have never recorded a video. AI does it all. B-roll. Search. My team has terabytes of footage. AI now finds what we need in seconds or generates it from scratch. Skill number 5. AI. Writing. $100 to $200 per hour. Writing isn't about words. It's about ideas. My team uses AI to mine gold from our video transcripts, stories, lessons, quotes. We then repurpose them into newsletters, LinkedIn posts, or reels. Learn these. Extraction, break down long-form content into key nuggets using AI. Ideation, feed AI your client's best performing content and have it generate fresh spins that are likely to go viral. Creation, train a custom GPT to mirror your client's exact tone of voice, so it sounds like them, not like a robot. Skill number 6. AI. Content marketing. $200 to $300 per hour. Brace yourself. Arnold Schwarzenegger's top podcast? He's never recorded a word. An agency uses AI to do everything. Voice cloning, newsletters, the works. Here's how to build AI-powered engines for clients. Define the product. Podcast, newsletter, app. AI will help you design the whole content strategy. Create content. Using AI stacks, combine all the skills you've learned. Repurpose like crazy. Turn one podcast into 100 pieces of content across every platform. Skill number 7. No-code AI automation. $300 to $400 per hour. Businesses are bleeding money with inefficient workflows. You can save them a fortune. Here's how. Map the workflow. Identify bottlenecks. Mapping it alone is worth thousands. Focus on cash impact areas. Automate where it saves or makes money, not just where it's easy. Build AI co-pilots. Create bots that sit inside workflows, doing the grunt work while humans review final outputs. Skill number 8. AI data analysis. $300 to $400 per hour. Without data, businesses are just gambling. Become the data hero by data cleanup. Use AI to clean up messy data lakes and warehouses. Data enrichment. Use AI to append emails with phone numbers, credit scores, and more. Insight extraction. Pull actionable insights in minutes. Just like Lomi did by using AI to optimize their Facebook ads to target the most profitable customer segments. Skill number 9. No-code AI agent development. $400 to $500 per hour. This is the Mount Everest of AI income skills. If you don't replace yourself with an AI agent, someone else will. Here's how to build them. Define the job, map every task an agent will do. Develop the model. Feed it transcripts, SOPs, call recordings. Train it like you would an employee. Deploy and monitor. Set up systems to review outputs, tweak, and make them smarter. For example, sales teams now use an AI sales chat tool that learns from every conversation, improving scripts, replies, even timing, all automatically. Look, I get it. This might feel overwhelming. Maybe you're thinking, I'm not smart enough or techie enough for this. But if you've made it this far, you're exactly the kind of person meant to win in this AI revolution. There's never been a bigger demand for AI experts, and now you have the roadmap. So don't overthink. Don't delay. Your time is now.